right here, okay? So any inference that we make that uses line 3 will also depend on that assumption. But now look at 1, 2, and 3. That's set up beautifully for a constructive dilemma that gets us Z or Y from 1, 2, 3, C, D. Now we use line 3, and 3 depends on this assumption, so 4 depends on the assumption as well, okay? But now look, what we're trying to prove. If this, then that. We just gave ourselves that. We said, well, let's suppose we have A or B. In other words, if A or B, can we get to Z or Y? And we did. So what we're now entitled to say is, well, if you have an A or a B, then you can get a Z or a Y, okay? What's our proof? Go look up here, look at lines 3 and 4. Look at lines 3 through 4 as a conditional proof. So this proves that. And so this one does not rest on an assumption. Does everybody understand that? And we're done. Okay. If you want, I can do it the arduous way, but I don't think you want that. Okay. How are you all feeling about this stuff? Pretty bamboozled? Okay. So, the quiz is available. Download it, complete it. It's due by Sunday. I'll grade them on Monday, and everybody have a copy of their quiz, because we're going to go over the quiz on Tuesday, and that won't take that much time. And then Tuesday and Thursday, we're just going to be practicing on more test level questions, okay? So some of these proofs later in the 5.2, 5.4 are much harder than will be on the test, right? So we'll crank it back a notch and make sure we can do proofs that use, you know, basic moves. Does everybody understand that? Okay. So we could make this test impossible, but there's no point in that. I just want to see that you can use these rules, right? And not that you can use these rules to untangle a 25-step proof. Does everybody understand that? Okay. All right. Everybody's here today, right? Because I didn't send out the roll sheet. All right. So get your quiz, work on it, and I'll see you on Tuesday. All righty?